Okay, I'm going to do a quick review of the Greenworks 40 volt 16-inch bar chainsaw. I just did a review of the Greenworks 40 volt blower, which is awesome. They use the same battery, so you can use it for both. Battery indicator on there. Basically, you just turn the power on the saw. You hold that button in, the safety button, and you can hit the trigger. Nice thing about this is an indicator on how much chain bar oil you have left. You don't have to mess with carburetors. You don't have to mess with rebuilding carburetors or mixing gas. So I'll show you how it works. It's pretty slick. I think it cuts just about as fast as my MS 250 steel. It's not that much different, really. Here we go. Very quiet. You don't have to use any ear protection, which is really nice. It's got a Poland bar on here, which is a pretty standard bar, and real easy to take the bar off, change the chain. I'm very impressed with this unit, and now that I have two batteries, since I have one for the blower, I can use both batteries and cut a lot of wood. So quite impressed with the unit. There's a couple second delay when you push it on. It gets up to speed in about 2 seconds. So you turn the power off here. Yes, I'm completely happy with it. Got it on sale on Amazon for $180. I had it sitting in my list of things that I wanted to get. And one day Alexa said, "Hey, your saw is going on sale, $40 off tonight. Do you want to buy it?" So I said, "Buy it." So that's a heck of a deal. Thank you.